Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl eToro, aka ICU Glam, and we are back with a hair video today. Okay, I'm not even gonna do so much talking. I'm gonna let the hair speak for itself. Okay, this video is going to be all about my MICROLINKS experience. I am trying new things with my hair. I think I'm kind of really moving out of that phase of like frontals and closures and just having all my hair so trapped. I'm like trying new things. You guys know I've been like wearing braids. Then I had my natural hair out for a while, and then now we have MICROLINKS installed by the one and only Nye Artistry. But before we get into all the information, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Thumbs up the video, let me know that you love it. Yeah, and without further ado, tell your mother, your father, your baby sister, tell your cousins, tell everybody to pull up because you're finna get it cracking. All right, let's roll. I feel like my camera's crooked. Disclaimer, I'm not a hair specialist. I'm not a MICROLINK specialist. My descriptions and the way I describe the method may not be 100% accurate. Forgive me. This is not my specialty, but I am just going to share my experience with you guys. So we are just going to get straight into it. So for those of you who are not familiar, MICROLINKS is a method of installing weft hair to your natural hair. How do I explain it? That's not really like the traditional sew-in method. So literally all of my real hair is out. And I hope I'm explaining this well. All of my real hair, my natural hair is out. It's been silk pressed, washed, silk pressed, blown out, all of that good stuff. And then I have tracks of extension hair that's been attached to my real hair by clamp. So I have no thread, no needle, no braids, no glue, really no tension. This is probably the most comfortable install I've ever had in my life. So this is the blend of the hair. I used a Kinky straight texture. It's an ICU Glam Kinky straight texture that I used to carry, that I stopped carrying because I stopped selling hair for a while to really get on track with ICU Glam Cosmetics. But I will have the hair up for purchase on my site by the end of this week. You will be able to shop ICU Glam Kinky straight extensions. So I will show you guys an area, a section on the hair so you can see that the weft really is just attached to my hair. There's no thread, no needle. I can put my finger right under the weft so you see there's not too much tension. And you can't see, but there are little tiny clamps that she pretty much uses almost like pliers and a needle and just puts it through the weft. It's like, it really is magic. She like puts the needle through the weft with the clamp and attaches the clamp to a strand of your hair, which she then kind of like weaves through the weft, the track hair, to make it blend. I don't know, it really is magic, and I'm probably not explaining it the best. I apologize. I know a lot of people, I think MICROLINKS are becoming a lot more popular now because people are really, as myself, trying to venture out and try new things with their natural hair and just like kind of moving away from like wigs and all that stuff for now, not forever, for now. So all of my real hair is out, meaning that it's gonna be a struggle because I am 100% natural, as you guys know. So having my hair silk pressed is already a struggle on its own. The last time I did a silk press was in the winter time, and my hair held really well because obviously humidity and all those things aren't a huge problem in the winter. My only concern right now really is going to be like working out and just like humidity of summertime in general. Like as I'm sitting here, this room is not too warm, but it is kind of warm to the point where I can kind of feel my hair like collecting heat in here, and it's probably gonna start poofing and frizzing, which is okay with me. Like I don't mind my hair having texture. I don't need my hair to be bone straight. If I did, I would relax my hair, or I would wear like a silkier, straighter texture. That's why I went with the Kinky straight extensions, because I wanted to have some natural texture to my hair. But the MICROLINKS are super comfortable. You can put it up in a ponytail, you can wear it in a bun, you can do it half up, half down, depending on how your hairstylist installs your length. My hair, of course, was installed by the one and only Nye Artistry, and I will put her information somewhere here, and I will put it down in the description box. She's the same hairstylist that did my silk press back in, was it January, top of this year? She's the only person that really ever let touch my natural hair because she is a hair goddess. She just is so educated and just so well versed on all things hair, especially natural hair. She's a natural hair queen. So she does all my installs. She freaked my MICROLINKS install.
Hey guys, it is me of the future. So I am sitting here editing this video and just realized I never properly introduced the fact that I want to show you guys this clip I recorded of me taking down my hair for my pin curls. So the idea was I wanted to show you guys how I plan on sleeping with the hair in order to maintain the style, preserve the curls, and all that good stuff. So insert clip here.
Okay guys, so this is me before I take my hair down. I keep my hair in a bonnet, obviously. What you don't see is I actually put another scarf around this. So I have a scarf that I wrap around my bonnet. So I've taken off my scarf and now I have my bonnet on. And then I wrap my edges with this spandex scarf. Honestly, can't even tell you where to get it. It's really just a piece of spandex cloth from a material I've had for years that I just cut into a band, and I use this always to like lay my edges and stuff like that. But you can just use any type of like scarf or spandex. I think spandex is the best material because it has that slip that's not going to make your hair frizzy, but also it's really stretchy so it fits to your head and holds your edges, as you can see. Please excuse any lines of demarcation that you may see from my makeup. But this is my hair. This is how I sleep with my hair. So I literally just throw about like 6 or 7 pin curls in and we are good to go. So I'm just gonna take down the pin curls. Actually, you know what? I'll show you guys how to do the pin curl. So you just take one section of your hair, and this is roughly the size of the section that I use because I want my curls to come out really bouncy and big and more of a body kind of wave as opposed to like a tight curl. And I don't know if you just saw what I did, but I just take my 2 fingers right under the piece and I wrap the hair around in a curl. I have 8 pin curls in my head total, and you guys can see, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I take them all down. So I'll actually start from the back. I think that is all of them. Yes, so this is my hair, no heat added. Since I got my hair done, I just put the pin curls, and this is the results I get in the morning. So, and this is the same way I would wrap my like natural hair if I just had my real hair silk pressed. And I just use a little rat tail comb just to smooth down my top. If I needed to flat iron my fronts, I would. They're a little bit frizzy, but not anything that's like super annoying for me. But yeah, this is she. You guys saw the clip of how I slept with my hair in order to retain the style. I don't think maintaining the style is going to be too hard for me because A, I think I'll be able to manage working out with my hair, and B, I'm not afraid of putting heat on my hair. I know a lot of people are like so about putting heat on their hair. My hair is a little rough, my hair is a little strong, my hair can take a little bit of heat. So if it gets poofy, if it gets frizzy, if I feel like my edges need to be touched up, I don't mind going in with a flat iron. I will be ordering a new flat iron because I think the flat iron I have doesn't really do my hair justice, and I think I end up doing more passes than I need to. I think I'm gonna get the Babyliss Prima 3000 or something like that. So I think for me, the best part about MICROLINKS is the versatility that it gives you when it comes to your hair. Because of the way she lays my tracks when she installs them, when I flip my hair back, they lay flat, right? Because she kind of like lays them in a curved pattern that shapes my hair, that follows the curve of my head. But look, I'm up in a high pony and I'm flat, which I love having this option. Are you kidding me? 9 times out of 10, you guys are probably gonna see me in a high pony, and it's like so comfortable. There's no tension, and we're leaving our edges as is, okay, ladies? Like, let's stop thinking we need to have laid down edges all the time. Like, natural edges are totally in right now, okay? We're going with that. I am not putting edge control on my edges because God didn't lay me on the earth for that, okay? I could do this like half up, half down style. And because of the way she laid the tracks in the front, I can do like a side part if I want to do a side part. But I think I'm gonna rock the middle part for a while. So how long will the style last? According to my hairstylist, it really depends on the person. She said it can last anywhere up to 3 months depending on how you care for your hair, depending on how fast your hair grows. As your hair grows, the weft will kind of grow out with your hair. So what will happen, just like with a traditional sew-in, your weft will kind of start, like say my weft started here. As my hair grows out, my weft will shift down. So what we'll do is when we get to that point where we feel like we need to do some maintenance, she'll just go in and do what they call a tightening. So she'll just shift the clamps up with the pliers and the tools and all her magic and tighten the tracks, and it's pretty much like having a fresh install. What I do plan on doing to maintain my hair though is every few weeks or so I will be going to Nye to get my hair washed, conditioned, treated, and probably blown out, silk pressed, twisted, rotted. I don't know, we'll like switch it up with the styles and stuff like that. But it's super important that when you wear your microlinks, because remember, all of your natural, your real hair is out, it's so important to care for this style as if it is all your real hair, because you can go from 0 to 100 real quick and end up damaging your natural hair, which is what we do not want to do. Okay, I know a lot of people are afraid of microlinks in general because I don't know, there's like this stigma that like having any style other than a completely protective style where all your hair is in is like super damaging to your hair. But really, if you go to someone who's knowledgeable in hair care and like proper knowledgeable in the technique and the installation, they install it healthy and you're like proper when it comes to your upkeep and maintaining and routinely going to get your hair cared for and washed, or even if you end up doing it at home, which of course you can do, making sure that you're on top of taking care of your hair, because ladies and gentlemen, you can easily damage and break your hair and then you're just gonna be real upset, and we don't need those problems. Okay, I do plan on riding this style till the wheels fall off because I'm just like loving it. The length is gorgeous, like everything is just like for me. So we used, I'd say like a bundle and a third. So we used like 1 1/3 bundles. We used an entire bundle of 18 pretty much. I think we had this much remaining that we didn't use, and then we used a couple tracks of 16 inches on the top. And then she went in and cut some soft layers so I could get that natural kind of pretty bouncy flippy kind of look that I love, that's real natural. Like if you didn't know that I had microlinks, you wouldn't be able to tell me anything. Like you would have to tell me this is my hair, and you'd have to tell me how much you love it. So just so you guys can see, this is what my kinky straight hair looks like. So let's get that to focus. Yes, so the kinky straight texture has this really pretty naturally textured kind of crinkly, curly, yet still straight kind of texture that is meant to mimic blown out natural hair. This is the hair washed and just air dried, and this is the texture that you get from that. But when you like wash and blow dry, you get that really big, pretty, like blown out effect, which I'm definitely going to rock. Like I plan on trying so many different styles while I have these microlinks in. So if you do end up ordering my kinky straight hair from my website, this is the hair, the texture of the hair that you will receive, and this is the same hair that I have on my head. Only difference is we just silk press this out. So if flat ironed straight, still keeps its curl pattern, reverts back once you wet it, once you wash it, so you don't have to worry about that. I can't wait to show you guys and give you guys updates so you can see how the hair like manages and all that good stuff. But I am like so loving it. Like who am I? You see this? Listen, and the cut, I say this all the time, but my hairstylist really is a beast. If you are interested in getting your hair done by her, you can follow her on her Instagram at Nye Artistry. I'll put it somewhere here. Again, you can book through her website online. She is located in the Hillside area of New Jersey. She is like the sweetest and the best, and obviously her work speaks for itself. So yes, I hope this video helped answer some questions you guys may have had about microlinks. I know for myself, when I decided to do this hairstyle, there weren't too many like videos. Actually, I'm lying, there were a lot of videos about microlinks, but I just kind of felt like I could add a little bit more to the little pot of things. So hopefully I answered any questions you might have. Hopefully I've encouraged you to get the hair installed if you were on the fence about it. Really, I know a lot of people fear having their real hair and their natural hair out, but I think it's important for us, especially as natural girls, to realize that there are so many other styles out there for us. Like we are not limited to wigs and weaves and traditional sew-ins and braids and twists and all those things, like we can do micro links, we can do eye tips. You just make sure you go to a professional who is a professional. Okay, I'm going to emphasize a professional. But yes, I love this. I can't get over how much I love it. I will give you guys updates, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you follow me on Instagram, make sure you drop a comment down below. If you have any questions, feel free to thumbs up the video, let me know that you love it, because I know that you did. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.